What's up, y'all? SCS Week. Man, I had shop stuff going on today, and going to pick up a rental, and yeah, it ain't happening. So today, man, I'm gonna give y'all a little review. Ain't even no review. This thing about to go in the car, man. I was waiting on this thing. This one got a little defects. I got it a little bit cheaper, but overall, man, I'm definitely happy. The pieces that's really, got issues, I can't really see when it's on the car, so I don't even care. Got some pieces going out. Like, man, I'm telling y'all, y'all better jump on it. I'm telling y'all, it's real quality, man. Real quality work, man. This ain't no BS stuff. This ain't no BS stuff. Starting prices on rear decks, $550. Either one of those is $550. And put that in there too. Starting price, meaning no grills. And price includes shipping, $550. I'm finna go ahead and put the bracket in the car, so I can have this double den. I've been waiting on this. Double den, new in the box. Had over 2 years, man. Finally finna get this moment right now. Just got a little bit more ways to go. That bad boy up. Gotta have them antique tags, man. Antique. Frame notch coming. I ain't forgot. Perfect. Look, brand new radio, man, in the garage. Same radio that's in the dump. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put this in the console. It's the big Pioneer too. I wonder if you can see the manufacturer date or something on here. I definitely bought this radio over 2 years ago. It's crazy. Just finally getting the chance to put it in, and put it in to keep it in. Y'all finna be like, man, Steve, you crazy. Steve, you stupid. Y'all gonna be saying all kinds of stuff. I was putting the damn bracket in wrong. Let me show y'all. Let me get my light bar. This light bar is not sponsored, so please don't ask me for a link for it. Just do light bar. Everybody love this thing. This light bar will brighten some stuff up. I'm convinced, man, I ain't gonna never be able to do what I want to my cars. I'm gonna have to slow down, man. Like, everybody want me, man. I'm tapped out, man. Everybody trying to get the team, man. But I ain't going. I'm gonna make time for me and my own cars, man, real soon. But y'all be seeing, man, I be trying stuff and, getting my timing down. But really, what y'all be seeing, man, I be getting my timing down on my cars. The reason why is because if somebody come to me with something I ain't never did, more than likely, I'ma underbid myself, which I always do. So that's why I start working on my car, so I can get my timing down, like the gauges, the radio stuff, and all that. But yeah, we in here. Told y'all that light, man, that light a mug. Believe it or not, like I said, I like Pioneers. This old one, fit on the radio. So the only reason why I would swap this is because rear camera. So y'all see the reverse gear signal input. I don't think I'm gonna ever put a rear camera on this box Chevy because box Chevys don't really have rear camera. So may or may not. But for now, I just plug this back up. And a clamp cap came off when I pulled this wire. So clean that. It's my highest amp wire. It's my base amp wire. And the blue wires is tweeter wires. All this is AC. This is AC. The clamp for it is right there. Man, I did all that work. Forgot to put that clip back on for the L. But I'm finna connect my Bluetooth. We're gonna get to testing. Alright, man, y'all know I'm the troubleshooting master. No, I'm just joking, but I can troubleshoot pretty well with audio and all that wire and stuff. So, man, something's up with these RCAs and this radio. They ain't working together. So, literally, I grabbed another set of RCAs and tried them. I'm like, what? These RCAs just good, just working fine, right? Put them in the radio, screaming. Making both amps go and protect, like screaming loud. I don't really want to do it because I want to keep putting my amps in protect. I was just like, what the hell? So I put the other radio on. Like, I'm like, what the fuck? I put the other radio on. Still doing it. And this old radio only had one set of pre-outs. And that was for the subwoofer. So I put a line out converter on that. So I could have another set of pre-outs. So I just hooked it back up. And shoot, let me see. I'm finna connect this other phone to Bluetooth. Y'all about to see. Y'all about to be like, what the hell? Alright, I'm about to connect to his Bluetooth. Alright, paired. Alright, now look, watch this. Y'all about to be like, what the hell? I ain't never seen this. Alright, it's playing. Now look. I'll take these same RCAs out. It's finna start screaming. Look, same RCAs out. Shh, start screaming like. Y'all hear it? Like soon I plug them in and it's doing that real loud. I ain't never seen that ever. When you plug it into this line out converter, and it's just fine. That's so weird, man. So weird. So weird. I ain't never seen that like ever. I was about to take the amp out, but I'm like, this amp was just working perfect. I ain't never seen that. Ever. Like ever. I ain't never seen that. Brand new radio. Newer amp. But I ain't never seen that. I'm mind blown right now. I ain't gonna need a lot of y'all. I'm mind blown. I'm mind blown. I ain't never seen that. Ever. Y'all should see my face. I'm just like, whoa. Mind blown for real. But I'm gonna hook that line out converter back on. And for now, I'm gonna just leave it like that. But I'm gonna do the research. And I wanna see if I put another amp on, would it still do that or what? Cause it's never did that. Never really had a chance to do it with this one, cause it wasn't no line out converter. I mean, it wasn't no another set of pre-out, so it ain't never had a chance to do it on that one. But I don't know. I tried to ground it, which that didn't work, and I don't need it with the line out converter, cause you see it's just working perfectly fine until you try to put it in there. But yeah, so I'm just about to connect it back so I can go get that food. It's been hours. She like, yeah, you might not even go. I'm gonna go, cause I've been trying to take a spin in this car for so long. Yeah, I ain't never have a reason to switch it out until I got the radio bracket. That's when I was doing the switch. But I'm about to hook all this back up, give me some crimp caps and quick disconnects and stuff. Hook all this back up. I'm gonna leave the wiring out for the tweeters for now. Yeah, I can cut it. I'm gonna leave that down for now. I got a universal bass knob because the bass knob for the amp Don't know where it's at, no clue. And then I'm gonna put this in the console too. So I ran enough line to do an input and output, and then have it about right here between the cups. But yeah, I'm still mind blown from this. I ain't never seen that. So I'm finna finish this up, connect it back, so I can go to the store. Let me get this done. Yeah, so yeah, I only do this to really old schools, but if I know your radio ain't coming out, I'll do some hard lines. But old school, man, it's always some old schools and projects. You know, you change something, take stuff in and out. Every time you cut these, they go shorter. So I just do this, so I don't have to cut it off. Just take it apart, put it back together. But yeah, man. Let me go ahead and put this in so we can go get some food. My battery gonna die soon. Yeah, I know, cause the charger light cut off. So let me go ahead and just connect this radio back, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go. All right, I came up with something. I'm gonna give you a new 4-channel. That's what I think it is. So I'm gonna buy me a new 4-channel first. So I'm putting in my notes. Time for me to go ahead and take my light bar out. I'm telling y'all, this thing is so efficient, man. It make you see everything. I got all that stuff, but I cleaned the carpet up over here, man. Let's be rolling. Let's see. Y'all be loving that. Hey, that's lit right there, man. I ain't gonna even lie. I like that. I like that. I almost cussed. I like that, boy. Gonna have that fat iPad coming down real soon. So about to go ahead and get this food. Let me make sure my clock right. Can't be having the wrong clock.